Oh, welcome back, guys. Here is one of my friends. They are big. Oh, should we go out there, guys? Yes, we can. Oh. My time. What map did you go on? You better not be lying. You dare laugh at me, you puny human. Should we go in a public lobby? Why? Why not? Please, can we please go in a public lobby? Why not? Oh my god! For some reason, my controller is broken. Go in front of forest. Go in the front of forest. My controller is broken. Right controller not connected. I can see that. Did my controller die on me? I think my controller died on me. My right one. Should I end the video here? Because I gotta change my battery and take off my VR. Well, peace. Peace, guys. Ah! Look at this beautiful window.